The Amazing Digital Circus pilot episode by Glitch. Now, let's see what this is all about. Amazing Digital Circus. The animation.
Welcome to the amazing digital circus! My name is Kane. I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, mind-bending paraphernalia you've ever laid your eyes upon! Isn't that right, Bubble?
That's right, Kane. I can't wait to see what you've got cooking up for today.
Well, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into the show!
Jingle and super and peanut too. Drag up the text and make house more real. Day after day after day after day after.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. The animation from this is so good. Like, it's literally good.
We fly past the moon and the sun, and we don't know why.
Oh my god.
Is this one of your NPCs or is this a new sucker? If it's a new character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song.
I'm not doing that again.
My! It appears a new human has entered this realm!
How do I take this headset off?
Just keep grabbing at it. That works for all of us.
Oh. Just popped it back in.
What's going on? I put on some weird headset and now I'm here. Who are you people? Why can't I take it off? Where am I?
Let's just try to calm down. Everything's gonna be okay, new stuff. We've all been through this. You just need to get your head
What
to...
the is going on?
Oh.
What?
No, my dear. We can't have any of that foul language around here. The amazing digital circus is a place to be enjoyed by all ages. You, my friends, stumbled into an incredible world of wonders where anything can happen. Except for swearing.
Jesus. So everything has to be
my
bleep.
God. Well, how do I, leave?
Well, don't freak out about it or
can't
anything,
leave.
but, we don't exactly...
You can't.
What?
Shut up, Jax. But yeah, he's right. Welcome to your new home. And your new body.
A new home?
Wow.
What do you mean?
Guys, don't be mean.
We've been stuck here for years.
Oh my
Old
god.
Kinger over there
Oh,
supposedly
Jax.
been here the longest.
Did someone say something about an
Oh, Kinger.
That's why he's crazy.
She's about to freak out.
Oh, okay. Now I get it. This is a dream. And I should just
think-
play along until
This
it
is
was
a dream.
right?
Oh, it's not no dream.
Whatever you say, kid.
Yeah.
They broke my comedy mask.
So, Kane, we having a new adventure today for the newbie
Why'd
or
you,
what?
I'd
bro?
like to give our brand
I'm not gonna let this dude Jax acting like an a-hole right now. Like, he really is.
new member a tour of the circus grounds first.
Name.
Off we go! Here we have the 10. This is where your living quarters are, as well as all sorts of other activities. These activities may include
Huh?
ball pits, mini golf, and more.
He said we don't want to do all that.
And here we have the grounds. Drown yourself in the digital lake or engage in ridery at the digital carnival. Night, day, it's all okay. The choice is yours. A cosmic buffet.
Is that all there is?
Of course not. This is the void. We don't
Void.
venture out.
The void.
What's out there?
Yo, I like this. I like this animation.
We stay right here, where I can keep my hundreds of all-seeing eyes on you.
Hello, Kane. I love you.
Get out of here before the moon gets frisky.
Wait, what's that?
Yeah, that move freaky.
Whoa,
Oh.
clean up on aisle U.
I'm on it, boss. Ow.
Oh. Oh god.
are you like this?
Wait. Was that an exit door I saw out there?
Bro, stop
that a way to
licking it,
leave?
bro.
What exit? If there was a way to leave, I'm pretty sure we'd have all left by now.
Oh,
Yeah, what are you talking
wait,
about?
that's the same. Yeah, choke him.
I assure you, there is no magical exit door. You're probably just experiencing digital hallucinations from your mind's transition to the digital plane.
I swear I saw it.
Digital hallucinations! How about we talk about something else? Like your name.
My name? My name is,
Give the whole name.
Oh God! Why can't I remember my name?
Nobody can remember their name once they enter the digital circus. One of the few things I don't have control over are your minds. So all I can help you with is coming up with a new one.
Okay.
What's my name?
Don't you worry your little head. Your new name can be anything. Hereby acknowledging that your chosen name and your names may not reach the digital circus user license agreement, stating that your name may not include objectionable content. Objectionable content includes but is not limited to sexually explicit material, obscene, defamatory.
Bro, I hate, bro. Yeah, y'all ever watch those commercials where the people be talking too fast, bro? Like, I hate those type of commercials. I'm like, bro, slow down. Like, in the commercial breaks, it'd be like a sponsor or something. And it'd be like, bro, slow down. I can't hear what you're saying, so you gotta slow down. That's why I hate those type of commercials.
Violent and/or unlawful content or profanity. What are you thinking?
I don't care. Just pick anything.
Let's see. What do you think of?
I don't
You're
know.
right, terrible. Let's try that again. What do you think of Omni?
Sure. I think I just...
Gadzooks, you're right, Jax. We should have a brand new adventure for our new member, Omni.
I spelled her name.
You! Do you like adventure, activity, wonder, danger, horror, pain, suffering, agony, death, disease, death, angel food cake? Ow!
Oh my.
You parasite!
I don't really...
Since you're around here, we're gonna make it a simple in-house adventure to warm you up to...
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This, bro, look how it's animated, bro. It's like one of these like Illumination movies. This is the type of animation I like. And this is so entertaining.
How things work around here.
What? No, God. I don't want an in-house adventure.
Don't worry, Zooble. I'll make it something unobtrusive that you can still choose to not get involved with. Today's adventure is... Gather the gloinks! That's right. The entire circus tent will be infested with gloinks, and you gotta catch them all.
But what are they?
I'm glad you
This is
asked,
like the
Bubble.
chain chomp.
They're
And
small.
what do they do?
They
How do they...
gloinks are small, mischievous critters that steal anything and everything they run into. Why do these humanoid hash browns do this? How do you stop them? That's for you to find out. Now, good luck, and have fun, my little superstars!
What did any of that mean?
Oh, that's just one of Kane's little adventures. They're just something fun to do to, prevent us from going insane. Speak for yourself. If anyone needs me, then off.
Dang.
Oh, God. Oh, Jesus.
Wow.
Oh no, they killed Zooble. Anyway, you guys want to go get something to eat?
Rest in peace, Zooble.
Oh, wait. We should go check on Kaufmo. I'm pretty sure he'd like to meet Pomni.
My impenetrable fortress!
You want to come with us to check on Kaufmo?
No,
Who's Kaufmo?
not really. I think Kaufmo's gone insane. Last time I spoke with him, he was rambling endlessly about some exit. Kind of like you, Pomni. You might be going insane too.
But wait, wouldn't that more likely mean the exit does exist?
Could also mean you just have a jump start and losing your mind.
Well, I think I'd like to ask him about it, if this was real, which it isn't, because it's a dream.
She still thinks this is a dream.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm fine with doing whatever, as long as I get to see funny things happen to people.
I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, I've already had enough of these things.
Oh, yeah, like a
Me
douche.
and Pomni will go check on Kaufmo, which leaves Crybaby and Hoo-Ha together.
Crybaby
to go
and
handle the
Hoo-Ha.
Zooble situation.
Do you think Pairing them up together is a good idea?
Of course I do. They're the two most mentally stable and capable characters.
Mentally
paired together.
stable is crazy.
Come on, ladies. Let's go harass the clown.
Hold on. Why's he moving like that?
Capable characters to be paired together. Come on, ladies. Let's go harass the clown.
Why does he move like that, bro? Creep me out.
My comedy mask is broken again.
Can someone fix this comedy mask?
Oh, Gangle, you startled me.
So, this is where we all live.
Hey,
Or, well, where we all sleep at night. Even though we don't really need to sleep, it's sometimes nice to kind of take a break from everything and have a bit of a
I'm
routine,
so
you know?
liking this
I'm
animation.
sure there will be one for... Oh, look. You already got one.
So Palmer got her own
I
one.
still don't understand. About the adventures? Why even go on them at all? Why not try to find a way to leave?
Well, we usually do when we first arrive, but after a while you start to realize that you really can't leave, and constantly chasing an unattainable goal will start driving you a bit crazy. And eventually you get to asking what the point of anything is, and you completely lose sight of who you are and why you're even alive, and when you reach your breaking point, something really terrible can happen.
Calm down.
But that's not something we need to deal with today. Above anything else, the adventures give us something to do that keeps our minds healthy and stimulated.
Thank goodness this is all a dream, right, Pomni?
Well, she is on the out right now.
Why are we here again? What are we doing?
Oh my
We're getting one of our
God,
friends.
already?
Huh. Maybe he's not in his room? I hope he's all right.
Don't worry, Dollface. I've got a key to his room.
Wait, what?
Huh?
You shouldn't have keys to anyone's room.
Nah,
Exactly.
I've got keys everywhere, and you've all been fine. By the way, I may have left
Bro,
something
what
in
is
your room.
wrong with
today,
this
so
dude, bro?
Let me know if you
Oh,
find it.
Jax, this
You're not afraid of centipedes, are you?
tripping.
Jax! That's literally my only fear. Why would you do this?
What? It could be a completely unrelated question. You'll never know until it's...
Bro, this dude, bro. Jax is just now just being. Now I don't like him. Like, I was gonna like him at first, but I'm like, bro, this boy is such a douche, bro. I don't like Jax. I don't
It's too
like him.
late.
What the- Oh, what is that?
I've been looking for this. Thanks for keeping an eye on it, Coffee. I'm gonna head out. See ya.
Oh, Cosmo's been obstructed.
That's
okay.
Cosmo?
What is that?
It might be that terrible thing I was talking about earlier when you reach your breaking point. Okay, wait. Maybe there's still time to fix him before we get Kane.
I'm gonna run.
Whoa, Cosmo, listen. I know we didn't always get along, like when you called me out for fake laughing at your jokes. I swear I really did think they were funny. I was just having a bit of a bad day.
Oh, God. Oh,
Hey, Pommy.
is she glitching? Why does this feel like learning with Pibby? If y'all don't know that show, Learning from Pibby, it's just like corruption monster. That's just like glitches everything. This what it feels like.
Help me out of here! I understand. You don't want to.
Okay, at this point, if I was you, I would run. And her hand glitching.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, run. Oh my God. Yeah, why me? Run. Alright, you're safe. You're like a crocodile. So it's just her hand glitching.
I don't know what I'm looking at here.
We one of
I was
Sue's
looking at a
pieces down
dark
there,
hole.
remember?
Oh, yeah. Thank you for the recap.
Oh my God.
Boy, we're not very good at this, are we?
Sup, fellas?
Jax! We found the Zooble hole.
Cool.
How is Kaufmo doing? I hope he's not still mad at me for not laughing at his jokes.
Oh, he's doing great. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen him this happy before.
Well, it's good to know he hasn't completely
He
lost
almost
his
got
mind.
killed by Kaufmo. You've been a total
He
douche.
actually asked me to give you this.
Whoa!
Oh my. Oh my god, I can't stand Jack. Whose next joke is this? Spare. Bro. Where's too much going on? Who's that?
Insect collection?
I think it's a nest.
A nest.
Hello? Ragatha?
Getting startled,
That was
bro.
your name, right?
Jesus Christ.
Over here.
Hey, look. I didn't mean to leave you behind
So
like
she
that.
glitching and her hand glitching.
Just look at my hand. I didn't know what to do.
It's okay. What you need to do right now is find Kane. He'll be able to fix me up and take care of Kaufmo.
Okay, but where can I find him?
I don't really know. Just look around and call for him, I suppose.
Okay, I'll get him. You just
Yeah,
stay
just-
right
yeah.
there. Not that you can really move or anything. Just hang in there. I'll be right back. I promise.
Cool. Oh, so Pommy, I'm sorry. Your first day here.
Okay, guess I'll fix him, bro.
Terrible.
Yeah, well, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna go get Kane now.
Yeah, go get Kane, because we need to fix this.
Hello? Kane? We have a bit of an issue here!
Where's Kane? Oops. God, no. No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready for these jump scares, bro. I'm not having Halloween no more. Again? What was that?
Kane?
Nah, it's Kaufmo. What, bro? Look, y'all see the monster, but y'all gotta run. Don't just stand there. Okay. What, a slug or something?
Presence in the nest of the Gloink Queen.
Gloink
Oh,
Queen?
is that who you are? You know, you could have asked for my consent before forcing me to see something so completely and utterly disgusting.
Sorry, I was just ate.
Oh, despicable. A rabbitoid that runs its mouth in the presence of my royal figure.
Well, as a royal myself, I would like to kindly ask him. Oh, look, there's Zubul. Hi,
Oh, there goes
Zubul.
Zubul.
Help
So
me, you
Zuby's still
idiots.
alive.
Kinda rude, Zubul. Now I don't want to help you.
Jesus Christ. Look, rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, I always lose.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Gotcha!
Yeah, thank you, Zebra.
Oh. Hey! King, are you, mother?
That's
Yeah,
crazy. That's crazy.
Gotta hide.
We need to find Kane. I mean, we have to find Kane. There's a music plays. You don't got time to stand in the mirror, but you gotta run. Wait, hide in the barrel. Come on. Oh, yeah, that one. Oh.
God, where's Kane?
Is it an exit door? Turn off the subtitles. I don't want. Sorry, I had to turn off the subtitles. Wait, so is Kane in there or something? It's like a doctor's office. In a storage room. Your hand's still glitching. Oh. Well, at least you got away from conflict.
You foolish assortment of colorful characters! Do you not realize that everything must be Gloinks? I am Gloinks. You will be Gloinks. God will be Gloinks.
This is dumb and weird.
Well, and yet you're still watching it.
I'm not here for the adventure or anything. I'm just here to hide from the...
Oh, thank God you're okay. You didn't experience a game show in there, did you?
What are you talking about?
Like, finger just saying, oh my. Dang.
It's just cough
The
mode. Don't
Gloin
worry
Queen is
about it.
getting all glitched now.
Nah, he's fine.
You're right. How are we gonna get out of here?
Guys, over there.
Ladies first.
It was a.
No, wait,
I
what?
can't even pause it. It was an I can't believe this, bro. It was a whole escalator this whole time. That's crazy.
Wait, Pomni's not even here? Wasn't this whole thing for her?
Be quiet. I can't hear the escalator.
Supposed to be quiet. I can't hear the escalator. Why would you want to hear an? Why would you want to hear an escalator? Okay, where is Kane, bro? Because we need him. Does she keep going in a loophole? She keep going in a loophole. Bro, it's an exit after another exit. Is this office or something? What's she going to say? CNA. Where's CNA? Animation just got more darker and darker. Where's the void? Look at King right there.
Oh,
The
Bubbles,
chainsaw.
you always know how to make me say this exact sentence. Yes! Alert on my Wacky Watch at this hour?
What? The wackywatch.com.
Oh no! Someone's venturing out into the void! They'll get totally spoiled!
Yeah, we need you, Kane.
There you go!
Oh, she looks scarred.
Now what the heck happened around here? Oh yeah,
Kaufmo.
my doing.
Kane! Kaufmo went through a sort of kaufmosis and abstracted.
Kaufmo abstracted? Why didn't anybody tell me?
This is
And
behind
into the cellar you go.
Yeah, make sure he's down there forever.
I can't believe Kaufmo just gave up like that. I mean, no offense, Kinger, but I always thought you would be next.
Thank you.
Guess it just goes to show you can't rely on Kinger for anything.
I am in so much pain!
Oh, she's still glitching. Oh, there we go.
I do have to.
I don't know what's going on with my space bar. Hold on, y'all. My friend just texted me, and I gotta take this message.
Keith McDonald.
Apologize for lying about the exit. I knew how much all of you have been wanting there to be one, but, I was having so much trouble figuring out what to put on the other side and ended up never quite finishing it. And you know how I never like letting people see my unfinished work, especially if it leads you out into the void. Anyway, looks like you defeated the Cloyd Queen, so I guess the adventure's over. Your reward is a delicious digital feast cooked by our head bubble chef.
Made with all the love I'm legally allowed to give.
Well, I am pretty hungry.
You didn't even do anything.
So what? I can still be hungry.
Well, not really, because we don't need.
Yeah, that's kind of true. Jax, you ain't do nothing, bro. You just been on whole deuce this whole episode.
To eat, drink, or sleep in this digital world. So the digital food here.
Bro, she's how many is still scarred, bro?
Without any of the nutritional benefits.
Sheesh, lay off it. Since when are you an expert on the digital world?
Expert on the what?
That's crazy. Is she gonna smile? Smile. Wait, did she smile? You look like. Hey, bro. W animation, bro. This was good. Like, this was so good. W animation.